I am very happy that some people are getting disturbed in SR. So I have advised my BJP worker to give more and more complaint so that a kind of people realize that there is still some kind of resistance in Assam. So jiman complaint hoise mure orderot hoise. Moye BJP manu bilakok koisu je alap salap miya bilakor upor complaint di thakok. Etut kono tat lukuabologe eku nai. Assam is a polarized society. Next 30 years, we have to practice politics of polarization if you want to live. If you want to surrender, then surrender. But as a Assamese, I don't want to surrender. So I will fight, I will polarize. But polarization is not between Hindu and Muslim. Polarization between Assamese and Bangladeshi. That is the difference. So we don't fight with Assamese Muslim. We only fight with Bangladeshi Muslim.